Hold on to your hats, because the holiday season in 2025 is about to get a nicotine-infused twist. Forget those early morning Black Friday brawls. The real action is happening on your screens. Mobile phones, tablets, and laptops are the new battlegrounds for scoring the hottest deals and must-have items. According to Adobe Analytics, the U.S. holiday e-commerce is projected to exceed $253 billion in 2025, with a huge chunk of Cyber Monday purchases already happening on mobile devices. Online shopping has evolved from a simple convenience to a core part of the American consumer experience. This year, one of the fastest-growing areas of modern nicotine is officially joining the party. Nicokick.com, the leading online retailer of nicotine pouches in the U.S., is launching its first-ever nicotine pouch advent calendar, exclusively for verified adults aged 21 and older. Advent calendars, a journey through time. Advent calendars have a rich history, originating in Germany in the early 1800s. They were a creative way to mark the days leading up to Christmas Eve. Early versions included simple chalk lines on doors or candles. By the late 20th century, the concept exploded, becoming a mainstream consumer product. Beauty and even whiskey brands began offering themed editions. Today, the global advent calendar market is massive and still growing. In 2024, the market was estimated to be worth around $1.34 billion USD, according to Growth Market Reports. So, what's driving this massive growth? The rise of online retail has played a huge role, making advent calendars a popular platform for product discovery, storytelling, and unique daily experiences. Luxury brands and lifestyle retailers have jumped on the trend, offering versions filled with everything from fine teas and coffee to skincare, wine, and craft beverages. Nostalgia is another key factor. Data from Civic Science reveals that half of Advent calendar users grew up with them as a holiday tradition. Nearly three-quarters, 72%, report feeling at least somewhat nostalgic, highlighting the emotional connection. Nicokick's modern take this year. Nicokick is reimagining the Advent calendar for adult nicotine users who appreciate tradition and the joy of daily discovery. Launching on November 12, 2025, the limited edition Nicokick Advent Calendar features 25 sealed cans, each containing a different nicotine pouch brand, including Zone, Zin, Rogue, Sesh, FRE, Nick S, and more. Flavors range from mint and wintergreen to citrus and watermelon, with nicotine strengths ranging from 3 milligrams and 6 milligrams to 9 milligrams. The price? $69.99. It's designed for adults who already use nicotine, not as a cessation product, but as a smoke-free, ritual-driven way to enjoy the holiday season or their regular social lives. E-commerce, leveling the playing field for regulated products. Online shopping for advent calendars offers more than just convenience and nostalgia. It also levels the playing field, especially for regulated products like nicotine pouches. For adults in small towns, those with mobility limitations, or anyone outside major retail areas, online platforms like Nicokick provide access to vetted and reviewed products that might not be available locally. Nicokick uses technology-backed age and identity verification, similar to what leading alcohol retailers use, to ensure purchases are restricted to adults 21 and over. Every brand featured on the site and in the Advent calendar is carefully checked for quality and consistency. Online shopping and Advent calendars are the two ways in which people discover new products and brands, says James Lees, VP of Retention at Nicokick.com. The Nicokick Advent Calendar is about giving adult nicotine users an elevated, unboxing-style experience wherever they are. The Nicokick Advent Calendar will be available online only starting November 12, 2025, and will be available while supplies last. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and marketing purposes only and is not an endorsement of nicotine pouch use. Nicotine pouches are not FDA-approved smoking cessation products, and health risks, short and long-term, remain under study. Always consult qualified medical professionals regarding nicotine use. But here's where it gets controversial. This Advent calendar is clearly aimed at adult nicotine users. Do you think this is a creative way to engage with a specific consumer group, or does it normalize nicotine use during the holidays? Let me know your thoughts.